time to get our groove back. Back to life. Back to reality. Feeling free. Releasing all our inhibitions. Time to get our groove back. You know what I'm saying? Well, memories, they flood my mind as the sun it begins to shine. Reminiscing on the days gone by. Do you remember those happy times? Well, I'd give anything to be back there. Well, just to celebrate those happy years. Taking time to unwind, just following your mind and leave your troubles behind.
Oh, in the power of the positive and higher thing, feeling a desire to go drifting on a memory. Oh, anytime we can go there. Let our heart and soul be clear. You know, if you just follow your mind, the troubles disappear.
goes, you know? But ignorance is no shame, it's just blindness to the facts. But believe, for ignoring it, you're to blame for turning your back. So to make the right decision from 1,000 voices, many that there are, but believe all the choices are few. So what you gonna do? Feel free or be free? Now that's the question. That's the real focus of reality.